Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Ledger Nano S Plus on iPhone. First, unbox your device and connect it to a power source. Next, download the Ledger Live app directly from the App Store onto your iPhone. Once installed, open the app and follow the clear, step-by-step instructions to begin the initialization process for your new Ledger device. This ensures a secure and smooth start to managing your crypto assets. After initialization, you'll pair your Ledger Nano S Plus with your iPhone using Bluetooth. The Ledger Live app will guide you through this connection. Crucially, you'll set a secure 4 to 8-digit PIN code directly on your Ledger device. Then, you must write down your 24-word recovery phrase on the provided recovery sheet. Keep this phrase extremely safe and offline, as it's the only way to restore your funds if your device is lost or damaged. With your device set up, you can now install the specific cryptocurrency applications you need, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, directly onto your Ledger Nano S Plus through the Ledger Live app. Once installed, add accounts for these cryptocurrencies within Ledger Live. This allows you to view your balances and manage transactions. You can then securely send and receive crypto, always confirming transactions on your physical Ledger device for maximum security. To maintain optimal security, always ensure your Ledger Live app and your Ledger Nano S Plus device firmware are updated to the latest versions. Regularly check for updates within the app. Remember, your 24-word recovery phrase is paramount. Never share it with anyone, and keep it stored in a secure, private location. For those looking to deepen their financial understanding, I highly recommend checking out the book *The Simple Path to Wealth*. You can find a link to it, along with other helpful deals, in the description below this video. Stay secure and informed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.